Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best tools for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into one of the most revered gardening tools on the market, the Felco F-2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. If you're serious about gardening or landscaping, this might just be the tool you've been looking for. It's often hailed as the gold standard among gardening enthusiasts. Why? Let's find out. Designed with precision in mind, the Felco F-2 features lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy handles, making it comfortable for extended use. Whether you're trimming roses, cutting back shrubs, or pruning fruit trees, this pruner handles it all with ease. Its high-quality hardened steel blades are complemented by an anvil blade with a sap groove, ensuring clean cuts without damaging the plant. The handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, even during prolonged use. And they come with a non-slip coating for added safety. What sets the Felco F-2 apart is its durability and precision. The blades are incredibly sharp and feature a wire-cutting notch, which is handy for gardeners dealing with fencing or wires. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime guarantee with all parts replaceable, ensuring longevity and reliability. Now, you might be wondering how the Felco F-2 compares to other pruners on the market. While there are many options out there, few can match its combination of comfort, durability, and precision cutting ability. Let's put this pruner to the test. Here, we're trimming a rose bush. Notice how effortlessly the Felco F-2 handles even thicker stems, thanks to its robust construction and sharp blades. There you have it, straight from an expert's mouth. The Felco F-2 is not just hype. It's a tool that serious gardeners rely on for its performance and reliability. Whether you're a novice gardener or a seasoned pro, investing in a quality pruner like the Felco F-2 can make a world of difference in your gardening experience. Its precision, durability, and ergonomic design truly make it a cut above the rest. If you're interested in learning more or adding the Felco F-2 to your gardening toolkit, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations from Product Critique.